Following the complaints that have been sent to our growth department concerning the email confirmation at sign up, I wish to let you know that this feature has been disabled. So our new ConnectYu users can now sign up without any email confirmation. Apart from sign up with email confirmation, which like I said will be disabled, ConnectYu also offers login with social using either Facebook or Twitter. This is how the login with social works. I will take the case for Facebook. When you click on the Facebook icon on the ConnectYu login page, ConnectYu automatically creates your account using your Facebook credentials. Note, if your Facebook account is not open in the same browser, you will be prompted to log into your Facebook account before the process can be complete. Same goes with the Twitter login. Note that ConnectYu is legally verified and approved by Facebook and Twitter for the social login. Why not log on to www.connectyu.com? Let's help you make important and strategic connections that will take you from the life you have to the life you deserve. I am Kwame Desmond, the growth manager for ConnectYu.